welcome back. So we did have a lot of sunshine as we made our way through the day today. Barely a cloud in the sky throughout the day. We did have that strong westerly wind to keep us on the dry side. Here's the tower cam time lapse from our regional west weather camera in Scottsbluff. As you see, blue skies through the day, and then we kept clear skies after the sunset. High temperatures today with the westerly wind and the sun. 88 degrees in Scottsbluff, mid 80s at Torrington, Alliance, and Kimball, and lower 80s out towards Chadron and Gordon. Now, temperatures are cooling off because that dry air does warm up and cool down pretty quickly. So we're already into the mid 60s at Scottsbluff, 60 at Alliance, 56 right now at Sydney, and into the mid to upper 50s, Gordon, Chadron, and out toward Harrison. Now, the winds are mainly from, we'll say, west-northwesterly, and winds are around 5 to 15 miles per hour, so they have died down from earlier today. So with the clear skies and the really dry westerly flow, temperatures actually are going to fall a lot as we make our way through the overnight period, with most of us with lows into the upper 40s. So there's your satellite loop with no clouds on it for our region. We do have high pressure just off to our west, so we got that westerly wind. Rain is missing us off to the north, and as this high crest over us during the overnight period moves off to the east, we're back to that southerly wind that will really warm us up. So as we go through the overnight, temperatures are going to be falling into the upper 40s to near 50 degrees, and then it's back up there again into the low to maybe even some mid 90s in the valley locations, as we do have mainly sunny skies, a little bit of a southeasterly flow tomorrow. Then as we make our way through the day on Friday, starting off milder into the low to mid 60s for lows, and then high temperatures will be into the mid 90s to some areas near 100 degrees. Lots of sunshine across the panhandle. Could have more clouds and maybe an isolated shower as you make your way into southeastern Wyoming. But most of us are staying dry. This is a large area of high pressure. That low will exit off to our north. The westerly wind will flip around to more of a southerly wind. The high stays in charge all the way through around Sunday night. And then we do have more frontal boundaries back here that will give us clouds and maybe even a chance of some moisture as we go through the end of the weekend and start next week. As for that temperature outlook for the end of next week, this is June 21st through June 25th. Temperature outlook for us looks to be about 40 to 50% chance above average temperatures. The core of the extreme hot air is going to move off to the east, but still, if we're in that 40 to 50% chance of higher than average temperatures, average highs this time of year into the upper 80s, we could have a lot of days in the 90s. And here's a look at the precipitation outlook. It looks like we have a slightly higher than average chance of being above average precipitation as we go through the third week entering the fourth week of June, which means we could enter into more of an active weather pattern that gives us shower and thunderstorm chances mainly into the afternoon and evening. So more chances for moisture. So here's a look at the extended forecast. So lots of sunshine Thursday, Friday, and Saturday as highs rise from 94 all the way to 104 on Saturday. Both days this weekend we have weather alert days for dangerous heat. And then the heat starts to break on Sunday. Still a high of 102, but shower and storm chances Sunday night and Monday night get us back down to near 90 to start next week. Then more sunshine, low to mid 90s Tuesday and Wednesday. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. In many areas, it's high temperature.